All right, guys, 1997 Lexus LX 450, lifted all the way from Huntsville, Alabama. We really appreciate him coming down. He's one of our biggest fans. So we said, we got you. We're going to hook you up. So we hooked him up, and let me show you what we done to it. So here we go. First of all, we put high flow MagnaFlow and a high flow spun cap back to back. These cars come with two right there, as you guys can see. Then we left the mid pipe, save them some money. Installed the Borla ProXS muffler right there. Part number 40357. There'll be a link in the description. He bought his own muffler that he hit the link in the description for. So there's a link in the description for this, and hopefully we'll get you a link in the description for the high flows too. And then the tailpipe goes out the back, and then we took the resonator off right there because the rest of the pipe still looks good and it's clean. So we left all that the same and replaced the tip because it had just a regular pipe. We replaced it with a nice black, flat black tip, double wall, as you guys can see right there. So it's double walled stainless steel, flat black tip to match the wheels. Came out really nice and clean. There it is. So Lexus 450, 1997. It is a beast. And there's the muffler that was on it. There's the resonator and tailpipe that were on it. We took all that off. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you hit like, comment, and hit that subscribe. LX 450 with Borla high flow caps and resonator delete. That sounds so good. Just a clean sound for a car like this. What do you guys think? Not too overbearing, nothing, just a clean, deep tone. Borla ProXS delivers again. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 91.4. Again. You guys don't know, this is our beautiful shop in Nashville, Tennessee. I like it. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. But here's the engine on it, guys. Look at that air intake on it. It's cool from 97. Look at that. And we had a little vibration. It's actually the heat shields are broke. You see them? So when he revs it, it rattles. That's why. It's actually, yeah, and there's the bottom one. You see it right there. That's why it's rattling when we give it gas. I was wondering why I'm like hearing it rattle. That's why I pulled it back in and we checked the exhaust. But you get, bro, this car is like, he really takes care of this car. It's really nice and clean. Rev it real quick, Timmy. Let me see if we can hear the rattle. Yeah, you can hear it. Yeah, barely, but you can hear it. When it's cold, it gets louder. Anyways, there you go. Lexus LX 450. Look at that traffic. Too much traffic. But it's okay. Whew. Clean. Very, very clean.